Cloud Maven's Credit Checker demo. Hello, welcome to the Credit Checker demo. If your company runs credit reports from any of the major credit bureaus as a part of the business process, please stay with us for some time and see how we can automate the whole process without ever leaving Salesforce. In the demo today, we will be talking about what is Credit Checker, why Credit Checker, and then we will demonstrate the features and value proposition with the help of a live demo. Let's talk about Cloud Maven's Credit Checker in detail. So what is Credit Checker? It is a fast and user-friendly application that lets you pull credit reports from inside Salesforce. It provides instant credit reports for businesses to make efficient and accurate decisions by pulling real-time consumer data from Experian, Transunion and Equifax. Why Credit Checker? It can improve productivity and enhance the customer experience. It can save you a lot of time and also reduces manual error. How? Since Credit Checker is a native Salesforce application, you will never need to leave Salesforce and log into any other website to pull the credit report. Just by using a single click of a button or no clicks at all, you can automate almost everything and anything. Credit Checker has many features which can be of great value proposition to customers. We will talk about these features in detail in our upcoming slides. Let's talk about each feature slide by slide. Salesforce Object Flexibility. You can configure this application to run from any standard or custom object. So what does it mean? Full credit decision processes can be automated. It is not required for you to create any extra fields or manually re-enter data inside your Salesforce org. Instead, our application provides you the facility to read the data from your existing field or table, thereby automating the process and reducing effort. Credit Checker is fully built on the Lightning Experience platform and is compatible with Salesforce Classic as well. Compatibility. This application is highly compatible and designed in a way that can pull data from any or all of the 3 major credit bureaus. It provides you the functionality to pull a dual or tri-merge report from any of the credit bureaus of your choice. It also supports various credit bureau products and models like Income Insight, Bankruptcy Score, Credit Vision Recovery Score, Credit Summary or ID Mismatch, 𝗁𝗶𝗁𝗍, and many more. The Credit Checker application can run individual as well as joint credit reports. Our application can generate credit reports for both soft as well as hard inquiries. We also provide batch and bulk credit pull functionality. For example, if you get a lead from your marketing agent or broker and you want to automate the whole process, using this application, you can easily achieve that. Reporting and Analytics. Now coming to Reporting and Analytics. This is one of the key features where we provide extensive reporting and decision-making facility. You can make instant decisions based on your business requirement, which can also be configured as per your custom logic. Let's deep dive into the Credit Checker demo. Once you install the application, your admin has to do a one-time login to Admin Setup Console. This is Lightning functionality. The page you are viewing is a Lightning page, and there are 5 simple steps that we have to follow as shown on the screen. It takes about 20 minutes to set up this page and for the application to run. The first step is to configure the credentials, which we will provide you, and then you can choose which report you want to run and select the desired credit bureau agency from where you want to pull the report. We also have a functionality to refresh the credit report automatically after a certain amount of days. By default, this feature is enabled, but if you don't want this feature, it can be disabled easily with a single click. In the next section, you can define data storage preferences and choose to select what data you want to store. For demo purposes, we will select everything. And now the last thing is to assign the field mapping. In this section, you choose the object from which you want us to read the data from. So, if you are storing your applicant information in an account, lead, contacts, etc. Irrespective of what object you are using, we have capabilities to pull the data from any of your standard or custom objects or any of your custom and standard fields. Once you choose an object, automatic fields will be populated for the ease of the user from where they can pick the fields as well. For the demo purpose, we will be using a lead, but as I said, it can be done through any standard or custom object. Let's move to the second part. That is, how do we automate the process? As mentioned earlier, this application can be fully automated. As you see, some of the information is already populated here. We now have an option to either pull soft credit or a hard credit report. We will choose soft credit. You can also choose a dynamic bureau from the list here. If you don't wish to select it, it will take the one selected on the admin console. Let's save this. Once the record is saved, you will see that there is a credit report record in the related list. The system has requested a credit report for this particular test case. Within 8 seconds, you will see all of the information being populated on the lead. It's been 8 seconds now, and you will be able to see the fully populated report. The score is available from all 3 credit bureaus. The score tier are defined based on the FICO. By default, it can be changed as per your requirement. We can also modify the credit status. For example, here we have defined a logic to approve a person having a score of 650 and above. Similarly, you can customize the logic as per your requirements. Under the credit file, we have some summary fields just for the ease of the user. The user can have a quick glance at the file and understand the report. The report details provide you the integration status, that is, whether the file will save successfully or not. On the right side, we have some pretty graphs which tell you about the credit score, credit account by type, and past due information. If you want to drill down more and get a detailed report, we have a related list section where you can view the comprehensive PDF report in the form of an attachment. This is generated in a very pretty and formatted way, which is acceptable by all the banks. You can see the trade summary of all the different accounts along with what is past due and payment information. So you get each and every data point, and it's convenient for you to decide whether you want to store this data or not. If you scroll down the report, you will see score model, trade lines, public records, alerts, etc. You can view detailed versions of these data points just by clicking on it. If we open the detailed view of the score model, we can get full information like what are the score factors. You can see the score code, factor code, and each and every data point that comes from the credit bureaus. When you scroll further down, you also see different trade lines and get information like what is the status of those trade lines. Credit Checker has the ability to parse all credit data information, which enables businesses to make accurate and efficient credit decisions. I hope you like the demo. If you have any queries or problems, please reach out to us at solutions@cloudmaveninc.com or visit us at https://cloudmaveninc.com.